In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can get Google Search API key. So let's get started. So first, go into console.cloud.google.com, and then once you're here, log in into your account. And now you would want to select the project of your Google Search project here in Google Cloud so that we can get the API key of that. So in my case, I'm going to click here and choose the project in here. So let's say this is my Google Search project. So I'm going to click here. And then once you're here, click here on this navigation menu. Now you want to go into APIs and services and then go into credentials. Now from here, you want to go and create credentials and click on API key. And now it's going to create the API key for this project. So what you need to do is to just simply wait, and then it should now pop up right here. So just click on copy to clipboard, and that's it. You have now found the API key on your Google Search project. Or you could also find it right here if you have already created that. So you don't need to create one. So you can click here on show key, and then you'd be able to get the API key of that. So yeah, that's it on how you can get it. Thank you for watching.